Hi, Anonymous Transition here. So tonight, this is going to be part 2 of my How to Pass tutorial series, and in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to pick out clothes for you to wear. It's pretty simple, actually. I just keep my clothes really short and simple. My female clothes are based on my male clothing style. And what's my male clothing style? T-shirt and jeans. So what are my female clothes? Blouse and jeggings. Pretty much, I mean. And where do I get my clothes? From thrift stores. They actually have some really good deals, some really nice pieces of outfit, you know what I mean, really good outfits, and at really good prices. I got this from a thrift store, and it was only like $4, like a really good deal, damn good deal. So that's what I recommend for picking out your clothes. Just keep it simple. I wear like dark jeggings, either blue or black, and I just have a blouse on top, you know. Keep it short and simple, like that. As far as more formal wear, basically kind of go along the same lines, like maybe find a nice dress or whatever. You can also do kind of the same thing where you have slacks, girl slacks with a dress shirt and maybe like a little dress coat or whatever. That's also a good option to have. And shoes, I'm actually not a shoe maniac. I have 2 pairs of shoes. One is, I got these recently, they're winter boots. They actually have a lot of, I guess you could say, use in them with like wilderness survival, because they can keep your feet warm as hell. They had like a tag on it saying, oh, you know, you can stay like 5 below 0 and be in good shape. So yeah, I got these from Walmart too. And those are a really good pair of boots. I got those for like $20, $30 or something. Now on to the shoes I like to wear most of the time. If I can find it. Where is it? So here are the shoes that I have and I like to wear. I think they're really nice. I got these from Walmart too for like $10, $15. I think they're really cute. What's that? Lock the fucking doors. Got my fucking mace. You silly motherfucker. Killer clown. Alright. Oh, better yet. Let's get a fucking revolver. Shoot a motherfucker. But yeah. Now I'm scared of a fucking killer clown. But yeah, those are the shoes I like to wear. And you can also find some nice dress shoes. I gotta get those out for you to see as well. I got these from Amazon actually for like, I don't know, $10, $15 or something. But yeah, these are nice shoes. I'd recommend just like black flats. Wear flats. Because unless you're, like I'm tall for a girl, I'm like 5'10", so I wear flats. Because otherwise I'm like 6'2", you know? And when it comes to picking out your clothes, your blouse, I'd recommend long sleeves, because that way it covers your fucking biceps. At this point, I mean, I don't have really big biceps, you know, but at first I kind of did, you know. Does this look like fucking big biceps to you? I hope not, because I've been on hormones for quite a while now. And so that's the reason why my biceps aren't as big, and they're now girly. But like back in the day, like I had broad shoulders, you know, back in the day. But so yeah, long sleeve shirts. I recommend long pants too, you know, just in case, I guess maybe your legs are kind of manly. I don't know, but I like long pants anyways. But when you're shopping for clothes, if you're worried about, I actually first went shopping dressed up like a guy, and I was worried about like people giving me weird looks, like, oh, why is that man picking out girl clothes? Or like some, you know, middle-aged, you know, cunt face be like, sir, are you sure you'd be in this section? What are you looking at those clothes for? You know what I mean? But believe it or not, I did not have that problem. Like, like nobody gave me weird looks either. It was so surprisingly like smooth. Like I didn't have any problems whatsoever. And like most people just seem to think, oh, you know, he's just picking out clothes for his sister or girlfriend or whatever. And when it came to changing clothes in the dressing room to, you know, like try out, see how it looked, one method I used to kind of like hide, because I thought it felt sketchy to kind of go in there in the dressing room with girl clothes. So I would have a pair of guy clothes in both hands. I put the girl clothes in between the guy clothes like a sandwich, and so that way on the outside there'd be guy clothes, but on the inside it'd be girl clothes, and I'd go into the dressing room with that, if that makes any sense. So yeah, on to part 3. See you later.